Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. My name is Cheche, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing like a very quick short unboxing. Okay, I hope it's short though. So I got like this blender from Amazon, okay, like 2 days ago. Yes, I would have opened it, but I wanted to do the unboxing first, okay, before I start using it. So I mean, like, okay, let me tell you guys the backstory first. Okay, so I hate eating fruit. Like, I love fruit, I enjoy fruit, but I'm lazy to eat fruit. Yeah, that is so weird, but I am. I'm too lazy to bite fruits and eat. I just prefer drinking my fruits. Okay, so I went on a search on Amazon to get a blender, and I mean, I was seeing all those portable on the go kind of blender, but I needed something that would be like in the kitchen but not like too big, and as well like affordable, because it was really affordable for the size and what it claims it does. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing it. Let me show you guys. Mighty package, right? Yeah, so I'm going to be unboxing it and tell you guys the details as I go, and probably blend 1 or 2 things so we can all sit together if their claim is for real or if they just wrote it. I mean, but I had to read reviews though because buying things from Amazon is scary. I had to read reviews, and it had like, I think, 4.55 star review, but I went on Google. I went to search for more, and Google was showing me good reviews as well, but then on YouTube nobody actually reviewed this particular blender. Okay, I was seeing the same brand but not like this particular one, so I was like, you know what, let me just do it so it will be there for people like me that wants to go and check it out. Okay, so yeah, so keep on watching as I unbox it. Why am I so excited? I'm going to start taking smoothies. Ooh. Okay, let's get into this video, guys. All right. Okay guys, so I'm going to unbox it. I'm covering my address with my hands. Okay, so inside the box there is this, I guess, to protect it, and there is, it's 2, and then inside it has the blender. Oh my god, this is pretty. Oh my god. So guys, wait, let me take away the Amazon box. Okay, so here you go. Okay guys, so this is the blender. Wow, this is so amazing. Okay, so it's the HOBBS blender, the classic blender, ice crushing stainless steel blade. Alright, so inside there is, I guess, okay, it has 2-year warranty. Oh, that's cute. And I guess this is the manual. Yeah, this is the manual, definitely. And then, ooh, this is so nice. This is like really nice. So I'm going to bring it out. Okay guys, so this is what is inside, and this is the lid. Oh yeah, this is the lid, and I'm sorry for the noise, but it came with this to protect the sides. Oh, this is, oh my god, this is so nice. This is so freaking nice. And it's glass. It is glass. It's not plastic. I was thinking it was going to be plastic, but it's glass. Okay, so it has like the whole measurement thing. It has like 500, 750, 1000 liters, 1,250, 15. So this is glass. Wow. Okay, I was not expecting glass, or maybe I didn't read the description very well. And so yeah, this is the base. Oh, this is so beautiful, and it smells like a new thing. I mean, it's new, of course. So this is the base. This is what it looks like inside, and this is the power button, and this is the plug. So because I'm in Australia, it came with an Australian plug. So I guess if you order it from your end, it might come with, I don't know if I don't know, but then the point is that it comes with an Australian plug. So if you're in Australia, it's like a plus. Okay guys, so let's get into the review. Okay, and then this is the base. Yesterday it looks cute, and I think it comes in silver and black, but there was not black that day because I would definitely have gone for black. And this is how it looks like. It's really nice. I mean, it's not so big, but then it's big, but it's like not so big. Yeah, it's just suitable for like the kitchen. Like, let's say you live alone, not like maybe like 1 or 2 persons, but it's still okay. I mean, a family can still use this though. And then it comes with, this is a cover, and it has what do they even call this? Inner lead measuring cup. Oh wow. So this is like a measuring cup in ml. Okay, so this is 5 ml. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like 5 ml, 10 ml, 15, 20, 25. That is really thoughtful though. That is really thoughtful. And the lid is plastic, and this is plastic as well. And the lid is plastic, but the actual this is glass. This is plastic, and this is of course steel. Okay, this is steel, and yeah, that's it. Like I said, it has, like, if you're in Australia, it kind of favors you because it has the Australian plug, whatever and all. So how much did I get it for? 1 second. Okay guys, so it retailed for $45, okay, plus free delivery. Okay, so yeah, so all this, it is $45. They want to fall from my hand. What is the problem? But I'm going to like blend something because it says it's ice crushing and it's easy to use and easy to clean. So I don't know if I'm going to show you guys cleaning it, but I'm going to show you guys using it to blend smoothie. I'm so excited. Like, I'm happy I got this. Okay, I'm happy I got this. Now I cannot be taking my fruits. Okay, so let's just get into the review. I don't want this to be a very long video. All right, I am not a smoothie expert. Let me say this first before I start. This is just me putting everything I have together to test this. Okay, I'm probably going to go and get recipes and then start doing better smoothies. Okay, so these are like strawberries. They are frozen, like really frozen, and blueberries, they are frozen as well. Then I have ginger because I like the taste of ginger in my smoothies when I buy them outside. And then there's banana, and then there's water to blend it with. Okay guys, so yeah, this is it. The steel, the base, the knob, okay, and this. Okay, so you put it, wait, we are all going to figure this out together. Okay, so you don't have to like turn it to lock it. If you listen well, there's a sound. Let me get my microphone close so you can hear it. There's a sound that you hear when you put it. It locks itself, so you don't need to like turn it around like the plastic blenders. Sadly, I don't have eyes, but I mean, this strawberry is like eyes. Like, you guys heard it right? This is like eyes already. So I'm going to plug in this to the socket, and then we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, so the knob, this is the P, I guess this is pulse, and 0, 1 and 2. So I'm going to do 1 first and see how it goes. Oh my god, oh my god, this thing makes the loudest noise ever. The loudest. Okay, I'm so scared to even do it again because it's so loud. Okay. Okay guys, so let's see. But guys, the sound this thing makes is just, oh wow. Okay. I'm about to start taking smoothie every day. So this is it. Let me pour it into a cup so you see how it is. Okay guys, so you guys saw how it went, right? This is my smoothie. Okay, so I don't know if it's me or if it's this, but first of all, saying that it crushes eyes, yeah, I believe you crush eyes, but the sound, okay, blending with this thing, the sound will wake up all your neighbors. It was like so freaking loud. But I mean, it does crush eyes, but I don't really like, I like biting things, not like biting things, but I like to still have like texture in my smoothie. So I like the fact that I can still like, I mean, let me show you guys how it looks like. It crushed everything, of course, you guys saw it, but then it still has like the blueberry, the back was not like really crushed, but I'm not mad at it. This is great. Yeah, I'm going to test out the easy to clean and the rest, but as for blending, it's really great. Like, I was so scared. Okay, I was really scared that, you know, it's Amazon. When you buy things online, it's like, God help me. So yeah, this is it for this video, guys, and it's a good blender. I didn't tell you guys the name. So weird. This is like a scattered review, okay, just bear with me. Guys, so the name is the HOBBS RHBL2. Okay, I think the difference in the whole, I mean, the brand is HOBBS. Is it Rochelle or Rochelle? Rochelle, I think so, but this is it. Okay, this is the brand, and the make of this particular blender is the RHBL2 blender, and I'm so happy it comes like warranty. Okay, so you have like 2 years warranty, so you're safe for 2 years. And yeah, basically oh my god, guys, this is not just an instruction book. This is smoothie recipes. Oh my god. They have the berry fruit smoothie, savory cheese balls, banana nut smoothie, mango lassi, banana vanilla and honey smoothie. Guys, and it has both ingredients and step-by-step process or step-by-step information on how you go about it. Okay, I mean, I got a blender and I got a smoothie recipe. Oh my god. Okay guys, so this is it for this video. Like I said, it retailed for $45 and free shipping. Alright, so guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and see my weird side. I'll see you guys in my next video.